bonus on Screaming Links. This is 2-cent denom. All right, it's $43,000 if I can get it. Of course not. I should pay pretty good though. All right, 56 on that one. Okay, here we go on nickel denomination coins, maybe. That's what I get. It's like, is that $32? All right, 37.
Hey kid.
Okay, I'm playing the new section of the city. Just got my bonus.
It's time for free spins.
Look at that. The city welcomes you. Go wild. The second reel. You want to get a wild stat.
Oh, sweet. So that fills up that. That's what you got to fill up there.
I knew you could do it. On reel 4 now.
Nice. Oh, and I got the jackpot, the $20 jackpot there.
Can you believe that? You won Charlotte's jackpot.
Alright, so now that'll move down. I think I get one more spin.
I knew you could do it.
Oh, nice. Gives me all 5 spins back. Nice.
All you need is reel 3.
Oh, come on.
All you need is reel 3.
$1.50.
You just never know when things are going to get wild. Now this is...
Okay, here we go, Buffalo Gold, doing another $1.80 spin. Good. Oh, nice. Oh, good. Get some more of those gold heads down. Oh, nice. Well, this is looking pretty promising with those extra spins. Nice. I'm only at 5 heads though. Nice. There we go. So now I'm up to 7. So now we can get something good, hopefully. There we go. Oh, there we go. A little 36 on that. Oh, good. To 11. Good. perfect. Now I'm up to 13. 2 more to go. I've never had the 15 heads on the regular Buffalo Gold game. I've gotten it twice on Wonder 4. Oh, one more. 14. Oh, good. I'd love it if it would show up now. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's on the first reel. I just saw it go by. Got some aces. That's a good one. 18 times 12 on that. It's like 200 bucks. Yeah, 217. Shot. Yeah, just did not want to give me that last head. I'll take 471 though. That's a good bonus. Okay, here we go with minimum or maximum. I'm going to alternate between minimum bet and maximum bet until I get a bonus. Let's see how I do. Okay, we're going to try minimum versus maximum on Great Moai. I stuck $5 in and I'm going to use $115 of free play. Hopefully I can get a bonus or a feature before I run out of free play. Minimum is 60 cents, max is $3. Here we go with minimum. Let's see if I can turn it up there. Oh man, that would have been nice. Man, I need those statues to come down. Okay. Minimum wins, unfortunately, but let's see if we can get some good. Oh, that's pretty good. 1680 on that. Nah. All right, let's do one more max and see if I can do back to back. Nope. All right. Well, that's where I'll cash out. I have 46 bucks left of free play, and I only have 30 bucks there. Okay, here we go with a little lightning link. I'm going to do minimum versus maximum. So minimum is 50 cents. Max is 5 bucks, and I'll alternate between the two until I get a bonus. That's a nice one. There it is, Max wins this time. All right, let's do some big numbers now. Oh, shoot. 110 is where I'm cashing out. Okay, here we go on Liberty Stars. We're gonna do minimum versus maximum. So minimum bet is 50 cents. We'll start at 50 cents. And max bet is $5, and we'll alternate between the two until we get a bonus or we go bust. We're looking for 3 spins or 6 stars here. Oh, get it. Ah, sweet. Max wins. Well, I don't think I've ever had 4. But that pays $100 for the scatter by itself. All right, let's see what Max will get us on the wheel here. Oh man, I was hoping for the stars, but that's another $100, I believe. Yeah, $200 on that. Yeah, that worked out really good.